Hi there, my name is Jasmine Narona from Royal Repeat Signature Realty, and on this month's episode of the Flower City Report, we are going over the housing market stats and trends. Winter is upon us, and I hope you and your families are staying safe and healthy as we enter into the second round of COVID-19 lockdowns across the GTA. I'm reaching out to give you a brief but informative update on the residential real estate market here in Brampton. The month of November saw a busy real estate market with sales up over 41% compared to November 2019, and the average price for Brampton homes was up by $850,650, up by 16% compared to November 2019. But the inventory levels dropped compared to last year, down 42% to only 605 homes available for sale, putting the months of inventory number only to 6.66 months. This figure represents a strong seller's market, as the Brampton homes for sale on MLS would be sold in just over 3 weeks if another listing was not taken. We have seen some softening in the resale condominium market in the major cities such as Toronto and Mississauga, as investors have begun to exit the market as they have found it more and more difficult to find tenants. The Brampton resale condo, though, has remained consistent, with prices appreciating by 9% and the volume of sales up. This is due to the affordability and the cost of borrowing. It is much easier for the first-time home buyer to enter the real market here, and many renters are now finding it affordable to own as the interest rates are all-time low. On the investment side, developers who launched projects throughout the year in whole of GTA are sitting on some remaining inventory and are starting to announce attractive promotions in an attempt to sell a few more units before the end of 2020. If you were considering investing now, it is a great time, whether it is a new construction or a resale condominium. Even this month, detached homes dominated the market. November saw an increase of 43% in sales and the price increase of 12% year over year. It amazes me to see few semi-detached homes have sold for $900,000. I've been experiencing a lot of growing families making a move one step up. They have realized that they need more space, and with interest rates so low, they have been successful with their move. I wish you and your family and friends a fabulous holiday season. Stay healthy and safe. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about anything we have talked today, please comment below or send me a text at 416-274-5179. Have a blessed day, and always remember, who you work with matters.